In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm selling off a company's stock, shares that I own, and I'm doing so to receive a profit. Now, I'm here to show you that as I continue to learn how to dabble in the stock market, the things that I've learned, I was afraid to sell those shares of this company's stock because I didn't want to lose those shares at such a low price. But I need to cash out because I need some profit. And I learned when you sell for a profit, you can buy back shares quickly. And that's a good thing. Stay tuned. Let me show you what I did. Now I'm speaking about IQST. Do your research. I believe in this company. As you can tell, you see when I bought it, it's long term. I held it. It shows the total gain or loss. It's a gain. And the percentage gain or loss. Current value. I gained a profit. And I'm going to sell these off. These I bought for 8 cents and one for 9 cents. The more confident I become, the more calm I am with investing. And you can see I've held all these long term, but I forgot that I bought shares of this stock for 7 cents a share. So I went back and I started selling off the 7 cents ones because I still held on to them for long term. That's a good thing. In my Fidelity app on my phone, I'm also looking at my computer screen. What I want to do is I'm going to tap on sell. On the top right, you're going to tap on limit. Now, if other ways to sell don't populate the first time, just close it, refresh it, do it again. It will populate. Sometimes it don't always upload. Now I'm in this area. I'm going to tap on sell specific shares. I'm going to choose that, the action. Sell specific shares. Then I'm going to tap on select tax lots. And what I want to do is I'm going to scroll all the way down. 11/12/2020. My cost basis per share was 8 cents. So I'm selling to take a profit. And because I'm taking a profit, I can buy back shares of the stock after I make the sale because it's not a loss. I'm taking a profit. So I'm going to tap on that, apply all quantity, and I'm also going to do 11/12/2020 right there because that's 870 shares and this one's 500 shares. I want to sell the ones that I bought the longest time ago at the lowest cost. You preview the order. Now you're previewing the order. I'm just cutting off the top of the screen because it's showing my personal information. And then I'm going to place order. On top it says the company name, your account number, your identification. When I started selling off the shares of stock, my cost basis per share was 13 cents a share. My goal as I sell off is to keep the cost basis per share as low as possible. Why didn't I sell to gain a profit sooner? It's because I didn't know any better. I thought, because I'm teaching myself, that if I sold, I wouldn't be allowed to buy back shares of this company's stock until 30 days go by. And I learned that's not the case when you sell for a profit. That's the case when you sell at a loss because of tax implications. You could when you sell for a loss, that's a deductible at tax time. You pay less taxes. So, because I learned what I learned, I kept reading, researching, watching videos. It finally sunk in. So today I made the strategic move to take profit to pay off debt. And also, because it's under $3 with Fidelity anyway, I have to wait till the profit clears that I can use it to buy penny stocks. You can spend the money if it's over $3, buy stock if it's over $3 immediately, but when it's under $3, you have to wait till all the transactions clear, that it's settled in your account. So I'm going to buy back shares at a higher cost. However, why would I do that? It's because it's on average about 34 cents. And I really believe in this company. And they're going to get uplisted. That was the plan by the end of 2022 on the New York Stock Exchange. So I want to buy as many shares in this company's stock. I want to buy back so I can, have thousands of shares again. Because if it gets uplisted to the New York Stock Exchange, that means it has to stay over $1. Well, maybe I could do this again entering 2023 or the second half of 2023. I could cash out for a profit and still buy back shares. So, because I believe in the company. That's why I did what I did. I'm learning on my own. I have no experience in the stock market. Everything I have learned, I've taught myself. I've put my own time and money on the line by myself. I want to have a better financial position for the rest of my life, and I continue to gain a financial education, and that includes paying off all bad debt, never having bad debt again. I don't want to continue to live life with owning bad debt, and my goal this year is to pay off all my debt. So this is what I'm doing. I already did this with another company, and I had settled cash and I already bought back shares, and that was about 24 cents a share. So you can see what I'm doing here. I'm gaining a profit, but I'm replenishing the shares that I sold, because I believe, these two companies, they're going to get uplisted. So I believe I'm going to do this again in 2023. I am someone who is still waiting for her tax refund from 2020. I am someone who has other money coming to her that's been impending for over a year, and I got tired of waiting, so I really forced myself to do more research, and it finally made sense, and I wasn't fearful, and I was like, oh my God, thank God I could pay off the debt, the bad debt. Now, still invest for my future, because I believe in the companies, and I also took some of the profit and I bought other companies. I bought other shares of company stock that are linked to blockchain and crypto, and I believe in that. So I hope you learned something from this video. I could keep babbling. This is what I learned. I'm so grateful. So now every day I'm going to sell off some. And this will probably go on for at least another 5 business days for me. Because I feel it's very, you have to do it in the app if you're selling off specific lots. And that's the smart way to sell off, because you get more profit in return. Okay. I'll talk about a wash now. Good luck, everyone. And if you appreciate the work that I'm uploading to this YouTube channel, My Income Job, please give a like to this video. Please subscribe to the channel and visit myincomejob.com. Stay tuned. How does a wash sale work in stocks? The wash sale rule states that if an investment is sold at a loss and then repurchased within 30 days, the initial loss cannot be claimed for tax purposes. So just wait for 30 days after the sale date before repurchasing the same or similar investment. The 30-day rule involves 30 calendar days, not 30 business days. Good luck, everyone. Please give a like and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.